Welcome to Quiz Gentry, friends. How good is your knowledge of animals? Let's find out with 33 questions. But before we begin, we ask that you consider subscribing to our channel for more quizzes as we get started. Good luck! All right, friends, here's our first question. Which animal can breathe with its anus? Do you think it's the turtle, frog, or salamander? Yes, it's the turtle. This is called cloacal respiration. Question 2. What animal's fingerprints are identical to humans? We have koala, orangutan, or monkey. Koala it is. The third question. Which animal's milk is pink? Pig, hippopotamus, and zebra are the options. Hippopotamus is correct. What animal can be resurrected from a frozen state? Bear, snake, or tardigrade? Tardigrade. They can survive in space. Which animal can sweat blood? Elephant is in the options, so is antelope and hippopotamus. Yes, hippopotamus. It's actually a red, oily secretion. A snail has how many teeth? 20,000, 25,000, or 10,000? $20,000 is correct. Which bird can fly backwards? Hummingbird, eagle, or vulture? Hummingbird. What animal has blue blood? Jellyfish, horseshoe crab, or mosquito? Horseshoe crab. The blood also contains copper. 9. What animal's eyes are bigger than its brain? Do you think it's the ostrich, eagle, or owl? Yes, ostrich. Their eyes are the largest of any land animal. Question 10. Which animal can't jump? Elephant, hippopotamus, or rhino? Elephant. Which animal has no stomach? Snake, platypus, or dragonfly? Dragonfly. Which animal is born pregnant? Options are an aphid or butterfly. Aphid. What is a snail's top speed in mph? 0.03, 0.05, or 0.01? 0.03. A speed that won't win any races. What is the closest animal to the mythical phoenix? Ibis, lyrebird, or quail? Lyrebird. 15. What animal has 32 brains? Leech, worm, or snake? Leech. What animal has no anus? Sea star, jellyfish, or sponges? Sponges. What animal has a square pupil? Do you think it's a goat, cat, or octopus? Goat. It helps them see in the dark. Which animal can swim through ice? You have whale, seal, and with frog to choose from. With frog it is. The frog's body produces its own antifreeze. What animal can regrow its head? Snake, flatworm, or crocodile? Flatworm. They can regrow any part of their body. Question number 20. Which animal has a purple tongue? Is it the monkey, giraffe, or zebra? Giraffe. Which animal has 5 hearts? Squid, snail, or earthworm? Earthworm. What animal uses its feet to taste? Butterfly, fly, or spider? Butterfly. Which animal's heart is in its head? Crab, prawn, or shrimp? Shrimp. Which animal sleeps with one eye open? Whale, dolphin, or shark? Dolphin. 25. What animal has a penis on its head? Slug, barnacle, or duck? Barnacle. Which animal can walk on water? Basilisk, chameleon, or lizard? Basilisk. What is the bite force of a lion? 500 psi, 1,500 psi, or 650 psi? 650 psi. Not as strong as a hyena. 28. Which animal can mimic human speech? Parakeet, raven, or lyrebird? Lyrebird. Which animal does not age? Jellyfish, spider, or alligator? Jellyfish. Question 30. What animal has no brain? Anemone, starfish, or sea cucumber? Starfish it is. Which animal has a lifespan of 24 hours? Mayfly, wasp, or ant? Yes, it's the mayfly. They hatch, mate, and die in one day. Which bird can't walk? Albatross, swift, or hummingbird? Swift. The final question. What animal has a lifespan of 180 years? We have turtle, alligator, or tortoise. Tell us which. You are correct if you said tortoise. They are one of the longest living animals. Thank you for participating, friends. Do not forget to like the video if you enjoyed it, share with your friends, and see you in the next quiz.